Today I'm going to show you how to make a jar mix kit, one for cookies and one for muffins. This is a great last minute homemade present for somebody in your life that likes baking. So firstly, for your cookie jar mix you will need a large glass container. So I've used a large Kilner jar. You can use like a large jar, so ones that you buy. To be honest, all I can think is gherkins, like the big gherkin jars that you can get, and like big olive jars. So if you've got one of those and you really wash it out and give it a really good wash, you could use one of those to reduce the cost even more. I just had some big Kilner jars in the cupboard that I picked up a while ago and just never used. And then for the mix itself, you want 300 grams of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 150 grams of caster sugar, and 100 grams of chocolate chips. So firstly, mix in your baking powder into your plain flour, just giving it a really good mix until well combined. And then all you're going to do is just layer each of your ingredients into your jar, just to create a nice kind of pattern where you can see each of the layers of ingredients. So I did flour first. I initially started to do it with a spoon. You can use a funnel. I actually found it easier to do the spoon, to be honest, but whichever way you prefer. And then on top of the flour I put the sugar, and I just give the jar a little shake after each layer just to try and even it out. And then finally on top you want your chocolate chips. And then to the jars you want to add like a little gift label, which is going to give you instructions on how to kind of prepare the mix and then bake it. I will put down below the instructions for making it that you can put on your own label. But what I have done is, using AI, I've actually created some pretty gift labels with what's required, because to bake, once you've given them to your intended person, they are going to require a couple of wet ingredients to be able to mix them together. Like I say, I'm going to put all that in the description of this video, so it's all written down. And what I've done is I've created some labels with all those instructions, with all the requirements on already. So if you don't want to make your own, I have attached the labels to my website, which I've put a link in the description below. By all means, go download, print, use to your complete advantage. I've just popped them on the website for anyone for free to use. And yeah, all I've done to create these labels, printed them out on printer paper. I've put a bit of card in the middle just to make them a bit stiffer. Used some glue just to stick each side to the card, cut out and then attached using a ribbon. And then with the muffin mix, you're going to want a large jar again, that's going to fit all your ingredients in, 200 grams of self-raising flour, 100 grams of caster sugar, and 100 grams of chocolate chips. Also not pictured, I actually did put 12 cupcake cases in with the jar mix as well, because the muffin mix does make 12 muffins. And again, you're just going to want to layer your ingredients, so flour, sugar, chocolate chips. And then because the opening of the jar was quite wide, I was just able to pop the muffin cases just into the top. Again, pop the lid on, and then I'm going to do the same with the label. Again, this is free on the website to download for anybody who wants it, but also again I will put the instructions of how to kind of prepare it, bake it, and any extras that they're going to need, that if you want to make your own label, by all means go for it. And then it's as simple as that. Just wrap up and gift to somebody you like. And there you have it. That's how you make jar mix kits.